which which is recently introduced, and this is really very good platform. In many other projects people lost their money, so this is the platform where you can make good money, where you can earn good amount here, because this is very new opportunity. And in network marketing, right time matters a lot. If you enter in any system at right time, then only you can make the money. So this is very good opportunity with the right time where you can make good amount. So what is the platform? The platform name is Octotrust. Octotrust is completely decentralized system based on, it is Web3 infrastructure based on BNB Smart Chain. Next comes here the end of the black box. What is black box? Black box is transparency. Means like it is there is this Octotrust is totally transparent platform. There is lack of transparency is called as black box. So many DeFi projects are hard to understand, and investors often don't know exactly where returns are coming from. Because of this, market has become tired, speculation and empty promises. Now modern investors, they want real money. They want to know from where money is coming from. They want visibility and they want transparency. So here this Octotrust is totally transparent platform. Just now we have seen the video where technically they have shown that how the liquidity is coming in, how they are generating amount, everything is clear and visible here. So this is end of black box. Octotrust is using dual engine protocol. What is dual engine protocol? Here, this money generation has divided into two parts. Engine one is called as capital preservation, which is called as vault. And in engine two, you can see profit extraction, which is called as harvester. We'll see more about engine one and engine two in the coming slides. In contract A, that is liquidity vault, this is unchanging foundation. Whatever the your share, whatever the investment coming in the platform, that is directly going in the pancake swap. And you can see here, this contract is designed to be fixed and secure. That means the main capital, the project's collateral, stays protected, actively working in the pool to generate fees. In simple terms, a liquidity vault acts like a safeguard storage, secure storage, which safeguards the project's core funds while using them productively to support liquidity and earn returns. And your original funds will be stay as it is protected. It will be safe as it is. They are not using your original funds for the withdrawal or for giving you the profit generation. Now contract B, how it is harvester, it is smart harvester. So how it works? So contract B, the harvester, which is the system's profit engine. This is also called as system's profit engine. While the main capital stays safely locked in the liquidity vault, as we have seen in previous slide, that liquidity will be safe, it will be secure, it is safe in the liquidity pool. The harvester works continuously 24/7 in the background to generate your profits. It monitors the liquidity pool in real time and detects the trading fees generated, which represent the project's actual profit. When enough profits accumulates, the harvester automatically collects only the excess earnings. The key difference highlights here is that the system can clearly separate capital from profit. Means capital and your returns and your profit is totally different. It never touches the original principal funds. Your principal funds will be safe as it is. That's why here in this platform, company will return you your principal funds at the end of the contract. So your principal fund is safe here. Instead, it withdraws only the earnings fees after cost, ensuring steady cash flow while preserving the project's long-term liquidity and stability. So this slide is very important to know that how your profits are coming from. So this is totally a transparent platform. This slide explains you that how your profits are getting generated. and how they are delivering you the profits while keeping your actual principal safe as it is in the pool. Auditable, immutable, and transparent. So till now we have discussed all the slides that this is totally transparent platform. It is each and every dollar, single dollar coming in the system is auditable. Okay, so this Octo Trust, it is not a simple word, but it is trust. They really want to show transparency to create, to build trust among all the users. Now the main plan starts from here. Now you can see here, they have given so many packages here, like 5 to 6 packages. So number one package is the Octo Trust Trial, which is also called as the test package, where you can invest your funds and you can test how it works and how it is, how you are getting your withdrawals. So number one package, test package, minimum investment here will be $5 and the maximum investment is $20. So it will range from $5 to $20. And cycle period of this package will be 1 day, means in after 1 day you will get here 0.40% as a profit here. Means after 1 day, after 24 hours, you will get your investment amount. Suppose you are investing $20 here. So after 1 day, you will get your $20 back with ROI, with your profits. That is 0.40% of $20 you will get back in your account. No need to take withdrawal, no need to do anything. Automatically, it will come in your wallet from where you are activating your package. Then second package here is Octo Trust Starter Package. So value of this package starts from $5 and maximum amount you can invest here will be $50. And the cycle period of this package will be of 3 days. And total returns that you will get here in this package will be 4.11%. It means after 3 days, automatically your principal amount will be back in your original wallet with a profit of 4.11%. Again, we have more packages here. So number third package is Octo Trust Weekly. So this package is of weekly, this cycle period of this package is of 7 days. And the minimum investment you can do in this package is of $15 and maximum will be of $100. And the returns you will get on this package is of 9.43% in 7 days. So here the amount what you want to invest is completely your wish, your choice. So you can invest that amount in this package, and after 7 days you will get your profits with principals in your wallet. The next package comes here is Octo Trust Turbo Package. So this from here, Turbo, you can earn more money and you can invest like bigger amount here. So investment starts from $50 to maximum $5,000. Cycle period is of 15 days. It means you will get profit. It means after 15 days you can withdraw your principal here, and the total ROI will be 42.77% you will receive in your wallet. And on 16th day, you will receive your principal also back. Then the main plan, the main package from where you can generate good profits, from where you can make good money, the package is here. That is Octo Trust Zenith. So this package, in this package, the minimum investment amount will be of $100 and the maximum amount will be of $20,000. Plus, if you want to invest more amount, you can buy multiple packages here. So this is like a biggest and highest package in the platform, in this system, from where you can get more and more amount. And how this package will work. So this cycle period of this package is of 30 days. Every day you will get 3.33% return on your investment. Whatever amount you will invest in the system, you will get 3.33% on daily basis. It means, and there is, means you will receive ROI on Saturdays and Sundays also. Most of the platforms, they just keep return off on Saturdays and Sundays. Weekdays, they will not deliver any ROI. But here, the best thing is that they are delivering on continuous basis. There is no off in the system. It means in 30 days, you will get 99.99% percentage. It means it's almost 100%. It means in 30 days, your investment will be of 2x. You will get, your investment will become double. And on 31st day, you will get your capital amount back in your original wallet. And the best thing here in this system is that there no need to place any withdrawal request, no need to do any withdrawal. It is automated, decentralized system. Whenever your system will generate your profits, automatically it will be delivered to your original wallet. So this is the best package in the system from where you can make good amount. Now there is summary of the rules. Whatever packages we have seen, there are 6 packages, whatever we have seen. The summary says that here first 3 packages, that is 1 day cycle, 3 days cycle, and 7 days cycle. These are only test packages. If you will join the system with these packages, then you are not entitled to get any bonus from your downline. Plus, your upline also will not get any benefit from your packages. It means these are only trial packages, test packages. It is for your satisfaction. It is for your testing that how system is working. You can just test through these packages. And when we go to the 15 days and 30 days cycle, at that time, you are eligible to get all the bonuses. Plus, your uplines will also receive all the bonuses from your package. So it means these are the main packages from where you can start your working. And above packages 1, 2, 1, 3, and 7 days packages, they are testing packages. Octa Trust is not only limited to ROI, but also it gives us opportunity to make more and more money by referring this platform, by referring this system among your community, among your other users as well. It means if you like this platform, then definitely you will refer this program to your friends in your circle, in your community. Then whenever people will join by using your link, at that time, company will deliver you very good remuneration, very good benefits. That is, if someone will join you on your first level, then you will get 8% of their total investment amount. And also, if someone will join on second level, then you will get 3%. From your third level, you will get 2%. From your fourth level, you will get 1% of the original investment amount. This is not only limited to 4 levels, but also you will get bonuses from all the levels till 10 levels. So from 5th, 6th, 7th, and 8th levels, you will receive 0.5%. From 9th and 10th level, you will receive 0.25% each. So guys, this is very good bonus. Like you will get this bonus whenever you will refer. Whenever any person will join your team, whenever they will join and invest, at that time, you will get this bonus and you can really build your finances. Really, you can make handsome amount from this bonus. Octo Trust Infinity. This is the main bonus in the system from where you can generate good profits. How this bonus works? Here, through this bonus, you will going to get benefits from ROI of your team. Whatever ROI will be generated among your whole team, there is no limit of any levels or anything. That's why this bonus is named as Infinity Bonus. From your all infinite levels, you will get this bonus. Means whatever ROI system is generating in your total team, that ROI's particular percentage you will be going to get. And what percentage, it is depend on the OT levels. If suppose you are OT1, if you have achieved OT1 level, what is these OTs that we will see in the next slides. And if suppose you are OT1, then you are eligible to get 5% of the total ROI generated in your team. For example, suppose today there is ROI of $320. $320 ROI has been generated in your whole team. Then you will going to get 5% of your total ROI. It means $16. And every day you will receive this bonus every day on daily basis. This is a kind of passive income what you will receive apart from the plan, like apart from referring anyone. If suppose today whatever amount you will get, definitely next day you will get more than that, not less than that. So this is the beauty of this plan. This is the beauty of this bonus, that this is your fixed income. This is your everyday income. So now what is OT levels, that we'll see in the next slide. So there are 5 OT levels. You can see here, OT1. If you are OT1, then you are eligible to get 5% of infinity bonus, what we have seen in the recent slide. So how you will become OT1? There are certain requirements that you need to qualify, that you need to fulfill to become OT1. So to get OT1 bonus, your personal package should be of $100 and your total team volume should be of $2,000. And then there should be 4 direct people who has joined with minimum $500 package each. If there are 4 people with your direct link with $500 package, your team value, if your team volume is $2,000 and your personal package is of minimum $100, then you are qualified as a OT1 and you are eligible to get bonus of 5%, infinity bonus of 5%. Then what is the requirement to get OT2? To get OT2, to become OT2, your personal package should be of $500, your team volume should be of $30,000, and there should be 8 direct referrals, 8 direct people join with you with the amount of $500 each. At that time, you will be OT2, and as OT2, you will be eligible to get 10% as an infinity bonus. Guys, 10% is really a very good percentage from where you can make good amount, from where you can get good bonus. Then comes your OT3. If you are OT3 in the system, at that time you are eligible to get 20% as an infinity bonus. Whatever ROI will generate in your whole team, it's 20% you will get. So this is amazing bonus. And how you will become OT3? So to become OT3, your personal package should be of $1,000 and team volume should be of $150,000. Plus there should be 14 direct referrals with your link with minimum $500 each. Same way there is OT4, and if you are OT4, you are eligible to get 30% as a infinity bonus. And to become OT4, your personal package should be of $5,000. Your total team volume should be of 1.5 million, and there should be 28 direct referrals with the volume of $1,000 each. Means there should be 28 direct joinees with you with $1,000 each. At that time, you will become OT4 and you will be eligible to get 30% as a infinity bonus. Then comes your OT5. To become OT5, your package should be of $15,000 and total team volume should be of $8 million. And there should be 60 direct referrals with you with $500 each. Then you will become OT5, and on achieving this OT5, company will give you 50%. You will be eligible to get 50% as an infinity bonus. This is very huge bonus. This is like super bonus. Next bonus comes here, OTX bonus. This profit on returns. This bonus is also very amazing bonus. I have never seen this bonus in any other companies. In all the companies, you will get bonuses when anyone joins with your link, when they will start their package. But here, this system is offering you 2% when anyone will withdraw their amount, withdraw their capital. It means people will join here for 15 days or 30 days time period. 30, and they will enroll themselves for 15 or 30 days. So after 15 days or after 30 days, when their contract will terminate with the company, they will get their capital back. Whenever they are getting their capital back, at that time also you will get 2% of their capital. So this is really, really very good bonus, because everyone who will join the company, definitely they will withdraw after certain period. So at that time also you will get this bonus. So this is really good bonus. That's it, guys. This is totally about OctoTrust. It is very good platform, super platform, from where you can get good amount, you can generate good bonuses, good ROI. And this is very simple and straight plan. There is nothing that cannot be understand. It's very simple and very good platform. So guys who has joined, all the best for them. You can earn more and more money. And who is still waiting to join, please don't miss this opportunity.